Okay, so it is about to storm bad. And I totally forgot to put the tarp down and the chicks brooder. This just mainly keeps the rain from getting on their food and them from feeling the wind, even though they have a part in this that is fully enclosed from everything. They're all safe. I forgot to put the chickens in. Silkies are really stupid and have no survival instincts. Okay, baby, I'll be right back. She does not like thunderstorms. Silkies are dumb and they don't take shelter when it rains. I don't know why, but they cannot get wet. The water doesn't just like run off. It gets to their skin. So I need to put them in. Even though their run is covered, if the wind brings in rain from either side, they can get wet, and then if they get too cold, they can die from hypothermia. Come here. Oh, no. Come here. Oh, I'm like making zero progress. I'm gonna try to give them some treats inside. Maybe that'll work. Oh, shh. Come on, guys. That's gracious. Oh. Y'all have no survival instincts. Okay. I'm gonna have to, I need help. My help has arrived. You make sure, I'm gonna put them in, you make sure they don't come out. Hey, keep her hand there so she doesn't come out.
Is it hailing? I think we should stay here.
Well, we have to go back. Go, go, go. Oh no, the horses don't have shelter. Oh, my dad put them in the other pasture. Now they're just stuck under a tree, even though they opened the other pasture for them. But they're not wanting to leave. So, my hair is dirty anyways. I need to wash it tonight. Guys, you can go to your shelter now. It's open. There we go. Come on, ladies. They are in their shelter. So that's good. But even better news than that. Look at that. A beautiful, full rainbow.